How to convert Canva slides to PowerPoint. So first is to open any browser that you have. Once you're on your browser, go to canva.com and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, select the Canva slides that you want to convert to a PowerPoint. Once you've selected the slides, you will see these three options: edit, make a copy, and share this design. Select the first option, which is edit. Then tap the icon which you can find on the upper right corner of your screen. Among these options on top is this Microsoft PowerPoint. Select that option. So under select pages, you can tap this bar and these pages will show. So you can select the pages that you want to convert to a PowerPoint presentation. But for this, I want to convert all pages to a PowerPoint presentation, which is why all pages has a check mark. Now once you're done selecting, tap Done, and then tap Download. So you will see this file on the notifications. So open the file using the PowerPoint presentation application, and you will see the file. And so that is how you convert Canva slides to PowerPoint. Thank you and have a great day.